How to connect Elgato Stream Deck to PC. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to set up and connect your Elgato Stream Deck to your PC in just a few easy steps. Whether you're a streamer, content creator, or just want a quick shortcuts, this guide will get you up and running fast. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect the device. First, take the USB cable that came with your Stream Deck. Plug one end into the Stream Deck and the other into a USB port on your PC. Make sure to use a direct port. Avoid USB hubs for better performance. Step 2. Download the software. Now, go to elgato.com. Head to the download section and select your Stream Deck model. Download the Stream Deck software for Windows. Once it finishes downloading, run the installer and follow the setup instructions. Step 3. Launch and detect. Open the Stream Deck app. Your device should be detected automatically. You will see a digital layout on screen that mirrors the physical buttons. Step 4. Customize your buttons. Now, the fun part. Customization. Simply drag and drop actions from the sidebar onto the buttons. You can assign host keys, open apps, launch a website, or control software like OBS. You can even change the icons or create folders and profiles for different workflows. Step 5. Add plugins. Optional. Want more features? Open the Stream Deck store and install plugins for tools like Spotify, Twitch, or YouTube Studio. It only takes a click and they appear right on your sidebar. And that's it. That was a complete tutorial on how to connect and set up your Elgato Stream Deck on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.